Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Glad to see you here. Today I want to share with you my own experience, how I'm making money on binary option platform. I'm using the IQ option, and if you want to try to trade, I suggest you to go to the description panel of this video and find the link to get to the platform, and it's going to be very useful for you for sure. Be my guest, use my link, go to the platform and try to make money. I want to show you how I'm doing it. I'm gonna share my own experience. Now I'm trading on Forex markets. There's plenty of assets that you can trade on. I choose the euro to US dollars, and here you go. Like a few minutes ago I pressed the buy button, this one, the green one, and that means that the price should go up. Also, the alligator indicator is added right now. Let's remove it, for example, and I'm gonna show you how to turn it back. Right now I have 18% already in my profit. The amount of my investment is $100, and that's pretty enough, I think. Like within the minutes to make a profit within the minutes, and you see that the trend is up going right now, and there's no such heights for the moment and for like previous periods. So right now the price is on top, and this is pretty great, and it's growing, and I pressed the correct button. I pressed the buy button. Right now I have $21 like in 2 minutes. I think this is pretty fun and pretty interesting. The Forex is one of the biggest markets in the world that trades billions of dollars daily, and you can like bite a piece of this big and huge pie. So if you want to start, remember that all the useful links under this video in the description panel. Go and find it, and I'm gonna show you how to make a profit on it, because I used to try a lot of platforms to trade on, but this one is most suitable for my purposes and for my wishes. And literally you can start with $10, for example. On this platform you can start with $10. Like everybody does have $10. This is the minimum amount of deposit on the platform. When you get to the platform, you need to pass the registration. After you passed it, you're gonna need to confirm your email, and after you confirm your email, you'll be able to the platform. You'll be able to trade and to make your first deposit, for example, and to trade on real money and to make real money from the amount of your investment. It takes time, yes, it's risky for sure, but if you using the rule, do not invest more money than you can afford to lose, you're gonna be okay for sure. So I see that I have a profit right now for 26% and $26 based on $100 investment, and the price is still growing, and like I need to make decision. I need to make decision or to close this position with a profit, for example, or to wait a little bit when the price will be higher and to close position with more profit. This is pretty simple, and this is pretty easy, and if you're gonna try it, you're gonna like it for sure. There's plenty of options right here to trade. There's options, binary and digital, stocks, crypto. You can invest in a lot of tools, like we're trading right now on the Forex. So if you just started the investment issue, your own investment issue, my suggestion is to start immediately. If you didn't start invest yet, you should for sure, because if you're investing with a wisely, let's say like that, in that case, in some long or short time, you're going to be much more healthier in financial issues. Right now it's 23% of profit, and you see that the trend changed to down going, but I'm not sure that it's gonna go down. I'm sure that it's growing, and let's wait a little bit. And if you see that for example your actions was incorrect, you can close the position fast with minimum of loss, and to reopen if, for example, you see the alligator indicators turning around to the movement that you've needed, that's great. You can fast close the deal and reopen it for another direction, and in that case to get more profit. Let's see what's gonna happen. Like couple minutes, and there's about 30% of profit based on the amount of your investment. So more you investing, more you get in profit. Of course, pretty risky, and in every my video I'm saying that do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. This is main thing that I'm saying all the time, because it's very important. Of course, I want you to be a profitable trader, not to lose your money, because this is important. And based on your amounts of investment, you can get good amounts of money. It's not bad. It's really not bad. And considering that this how the process is made like within a minute, this is very great. Because if, like, at least once you try to make your own business, for example, you know that it's much more complicated than to like choose between two buttons, for example. And in couple minutes you can get profit. It's some kind of different, there's a difference between the binary option itself and the Forex market, because in binary options you need to choose the direction in the time spot. Right here you don't have the limitations. You have just the timeline, and you have the point of your prediction. In this case, if you're gonna choose the correct way of price movement, you see there was a side move, but if to scroll out a little bit to understand that it's upgoing trend, and this is great spot to make the buy. That's cool. Right now we have about 30%, and I think that this is not bad profit. Like in 5 minutes to get $30, this is not bad at all. So let's wait a couple seconds. Let's wait a couple seconds, and we're gonna close the position. I'm gonna take the money. We're gonna take the profit, and that's actually pretty simple tutorial to how to start. If you want to start, I want to remind you that all the useful links are under this video in the description panel. You can find them easily, and you can use them. Of course, be my guest, use my links, go to the platform, pass the registration, and you'll be able to trade on real money. The minimum deposit is $10. I believe you do have $10, and do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. This is the main thing. 33. Okay, let's close the position. $33 and in 5 minutes. It's not bad, guys. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Press the subscribe button, press the notification button not to miss all our new videos. Appreciate that you watched this video till the end. Have a good luck, and do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. Remember, see ya.